Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you rock my sleigh tonight? Yeah, that really is a nice bike. I'm jealous now. I want Santa to bring me a bike like that for Christmas. Looks wonderful. And your hat keeps your ears warm. Oh, it's got a bell! Oh, I want that. Oh, nice colour as well. But it's a town crier. He's always ringing his bell. Oh, hey. Anyway, my name is Mr. Monkey, and I am the best thing since sliced bread, and also the best thing here at this Victorian market. But a close second must be all the wonderful things you can go and buy. You can stock up on your Christmas presents. You can even buy Christmas presents for me. I love chocolate, and also don't forget I love chips. It's getting towards lunchtime and I can hear my stomach rumbling. And you've still got your bell. It's exciting. Oh, thank you very much, sir. I can buy that banana now. Looking forward to it. I might even be able to afford a bunch. Wonder what time the pub opens. Oh, thank you. Be in trouble now. You're off now, folks. Enjoy that bike. When you've finished with it, can I have it? Yeah? Good. Good man. Got a friend there. Excellent. Oh, my paw is sore now. Takes it out, you're turning its handle, I'm afraid. See, everybody's walking down with chips. Oh, let's go and get some in a minute. I love chips. Can't get enough of them. Da 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 da. You take my photo, madam? Oh, you've taken it. I was going to say cheese. You're too quick. Oh well, that's good. Oh, look at that lovely couple at the back. Is that your wife, sir? Brilliant. Love it. It's still not as good as mine, but thank you very much. Mine is 100% polyester. It came all the way from China, and it cost £2.99 on eBay. It's the best hat possible. But I'm an unusual size, you see. I struggle to get hats. Where's all the crowd gone? Oh, come on. Oh, I think Charlie's coming over again. Come on, Charlie. You scared him away. Come on, Charlie, I don't bite. I am a lovely little monkey, you're right. Really nice monkey. I'm the best monkey I know. They don't come any better than me. Oh, that's lovely. I can buy that big bunch of bananas now. You know this tune? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you, sir. I think you bought some Lego. Oh, Charlie's gone. I've scared him away.